was the shared sense of purpose, how different trades and consultants can come together and really use their own experience and knowledge without needing lots of support when it really matters.
The hardest part about the project for me was the speed and intensity of the queries which were coming in, which all had to be urgently responded to.
An aspect of the design that surprised me is how we managed with just one material to create the walls, the offices, the technical spaces, showers, even doors and tables. It takes great creativity and great technical staff on site to achieve that.
Well, I'll always remember how the team as a whole collectively rolled the sleeves up, putting personal agendas to one side and effectively worked all hours under the sun to ensure that the site was ready when it was needed.